Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu says, a man visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I am starving. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent someone to his wives but did not find anything for them. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, is there anyone who plays host to him tonight, and resultantly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may bestow his mercy on him. Thereupon a man from the helpers got up and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I do. So he went home and said to his wife, a guest of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has come, so you must not reserve anything from him. She replied, we have got nothing except the children's meal. He said, when the time of Isha approached, you should coax the children to sleep then. When we sit at dinner, you should put the lamp out pretending to adjust it. What if we remain hungry for one night? Same was done. In the morning when that man came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is extremely pleased with what you both did, or Allah Jalla Jalaluhu laughed at the doings of so and so woman, as befits his glory. Whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse, and prefer them to their souls even though they be badly in need of. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4889.